Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I wanted to share with you my latest breakfast obsession, my cheddar cheese breakfast sausage croissant buns. These are so ridiculously easy to make, absolutely delicious, and they're filled with so much flavor. And you can make these ahead of time, keep them stored in your fridge, and then reheat them when you're ready for a little breakfast treat. I'm going to start this recipe with my breakfast sausage. Today I'm using some maple flavored sausage links. I have 16 of them. You can make the full batch of 16 or you can make half a recipe of 8. Just depends on how many you would like. Just preheating a large pan with a little olive oil. I'm gonna add in the sausage and you wanna just brown it all over. And once your sausage is nicely browned, take it out of the pan onto a tray lined with paper towels to absorb that extra grease. My breakfast sausage is all done, and now we're going to move on to the croissant dough. Now, Pillsbury sells this amazing product. It's actually a croissant dough sheet. So you just unpack it, unroll it, and that's it. And then you can cut it into whatever shape you need, which is perfect for making your own little treats. We're gonna open these up. And then grab a little pie cutter and divide the dough into 8 little squares. Add a little bit of cheddar cheese onto each square. And then add the breakfast sausage. More cheddar cheese on top. Then add a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce. I'm using Tabasco Chipotle pepper sauce today. You can also use sriracha, chili sauce, whatever you like. Add a bit of dried parsley on top. And then to shape these, what I like to do is create almost like a little log with the dough around the sausage. So just pinch the ends and kind of bring that together, just like that. And we're going to put that onto a baking tray. Once you have these all shaped, add a little bit more egg wash on the outside. I like to add a little more parsley on the outside too. And that's it, they're done and ready to go into the oven. I have mine preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. They're gonna bake for about 12 to 15 minutes until they're golden brown and puffy. Just took these out of the oven, and how good does this look? I love that golden fluffy croissant dough. I'm gonna cut this open so you guys can see there's all that melted cheese around the breakfast sausage, a little bit of that hot sauce. This is going to be so good. And that's it for my cheddar cheese breakfast sausage croissant buns. These are so easy to make. You have no excuse not to try this recipe. These just came out of the oven and they have filled my house with the most incredible mouth-watering aroma. Time to dig in and enjoy. These are so ridiculously delicious. I love everything about this little treat. The fluffy croissant dough, the cheddar cheese, that delicious maple breakfast sausage. And I'm just giving you guys a warning, you will not stop at just one. You're gonna have 2, 3, maybe even 4 of these. So make a full batch of them when you're making these at home. For the full recipe, just go down to my video description box. I've left a link there. It'll take you over to my blog where you can find the full recipe. And of course, share it with all your family and friends. Hope you guys have enjoyed this easy breakfast recipe, and I'll see you next time.